Good morning, Mr. Lewis. Pleased to meet you. I'm Mrs. Jones, CEO of Venus Systems. Please take a seat.
Good morning, Mrs. Jones. I'm pleased to meet you too. Thank you very much.
Did you find us okay?
Yes, thank you. The map and directions you sent me were a big help.
That's good to know. Did you have any trouble finding a parking space?
No, it was fine. By the way, I really like your offices. What an amazing view.
Yes, I never get tired of that view. It's one of the advantages of working on the 50th floor. Have you been to New York before?
No, this is my first visit. It's incredible how big everything is.
I know what you mean. I've lived here for 5 years and I still feel very small.
Well, thank you very much for agreeing to meet me today.
You're welcome. I have read the email you sent us, so you would like us to sell your products in the USA. Please tell me a bit more about your company.
ABC Solutions is a British software company founded in 2010. Our head office is in London, and we have a second sales office in Manchester, in the north of England.
So you have 2 offices. How many employees do you have in total?
We currently have 143 employees across both offices, and we expect that to grow to 160 before the end of the year.
It sounds like you're growing very quickly. What positions are you recruiting for?
Those new positions are in sales, IT development, and tech support.
Tell me briefly about your company's products.
We develop and sell accounting software to small businesses. The product, which is called ABC Accounts, tracks expenses, sends invoices, manages income, generates balance and income statements, and other reports.
And how can Venus Systems help?
We would like Venus Systems to sell our software in the USA. We understand that you already sell networking products and services to small businesses. We believe your clients would also be interested in our products.
I see you've done your research. It's true that we have a lot of existing clients who could be interested in some accounting software. I would like to schedule another meeting with you, Mr. Lewis, to discuss this in more detail. In fact, this will probably need several meetings. How long are you in New York for?
I'm here for at least a week, although I could extend my stay if necessary.
How about tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.?
Yes, that's fine for me. What would you like to discuss?
I'd particularly like to discuss prices, payment terms, technical support, and training.
That's fine. I agree that we'll probably need several meetings to discuss all that.
Let's have the first meeting tomorrow, and then we can play it by ear after that.
Good idea. Well, thank you very much for your time, Mrs. Jones. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Well, thank you for coming all the way from London. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.